Dale wanted to know about Windsor swap in an S197. I think it's a cool thing. We've actually, I've been working with one of our customers, David, out in California, who is doing that exact same thing. He's building, I think it's a 2013 Mustang S197 into an awesome AIX car. And, you know, part of the thing is you wanted to do something different. So I had Wagner Race Engines up in Wisconsin build an all aluminum 351 stroke to 408. Now he ran into some issues. Unique. There's a lot of like headers that you can put on the 351 in 197, and we tried what was out there and didn't work. And the reason it didn't work because it's dry sump. Okay, there's no oil pan. We dropped the motor way down, and because it's a from scratch build, pushed the motor all the way back, which really kind of limited the real estate for headers. But let me show. Actually, I sent him a note, and he sent me some pictures. Okay, there you can see. I mean, it's hard to see, but there's not a lot of space when you put the motor down and back. You're losing space for headers, and that's actually the dry sump down there, I think. But you can see how tight it is. Okay, that's what it looks like from the top. You can see that he's doing an incredibly good job. You can see how low and how far back that engine sits. I mean, it is. This is the front of the motor right here, and that's the shock tower brace. You can see just how far back the motor sits and how low it is. And he said if you're interested in doing that and want to talk to him, he'd be happy to talk to you about what he did. So I think this is going to be a wicked awesome car. He's by the way, he's got the full Kenny Brown AGS 4.5 suspension system, along with, you can see the canister for the shocks. He's got the Motorsport 11 shocks. So this is going to be a wicked fast car. Okay, you can see there's the dry sump. We went with the daily dry sump. I did a lot of research, and the daily, blow it up a little bit. And the daily dry sump, hands down, is the best dry sump system out there. But you can see that he had these headers were custom made, and whoever made them did a really good job. So can you put a Windsor in an S197? Yeah, I mean, when you just drop the engine, nothing on it, just drop the long block in there, it looks lost in a 197. There's so much room. But when you put the engine down and all the way back, then all of a sudden you start running out of real estate for exhaust and other things, and everything has to be custom made. Motor mounts, headers. Well, there are some headers out there that I think will work if the engine's in a standard location. But if you start doing race car stuff and move it around, then things kind of change a little bit.